to Multitasking with Ashfi. Today I'm going to show you how to put a screen protector on my new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. So this looks to be the protector for the back camera. The build quality is pretty nice. And these are the screen protector. They have actually sent two protector, like if one is broken then we can use the another one. So we are trying to clean the phone first. So this is the alcohol wrap they have sent with the product. The build quality of the tempered glass is very good. So now I'm just cleaning the screen of the phone. I just want to make sure there is no dust or any other particles in it. It's almost done. Looks like. I'm just putting a little bit of pressure in it to make sure all the glues around the side stuck in the cell phone. It's almost done, the part one. Now let's install the back cover. Lots of people doesn't actually prefer to install any protection at the back of the camera, but as this is a very new product, so I'll try it for a few days and see like how does the picture perform. Now we are removing the screen protector that was there for the camera, and it's very tricky now to install the screen protector for the cameras. Just be gentle. You have to align it correctly. Actually, this is the phantom brown color that is offered by Samsung, and it's pretty good, and you can see the carbon looks pretty cool, and it's pretty look a premium phone. So now my installation is complete, and it looks pretty responsive. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video. Best of luck with your new Samsung phone.